Deepika, really good to see you. You're looking gorgeous today, better than yesterday.
Thank you. Deepika, you started off with Fiyama De Vil since you started your career, like you just said. So how do you look at your career now from
Still dead.
I think it's been a great.
Yeah, continue, ma'am.
It's been a great journey. It's been a learning experience. I think I've been really fortunate to have met a lot of nice people along the way, work with some interesting filmmakers, interesting co-stars, and I always call it a learning experience.
Okay, tell us what are you wearing today? Since you're looking so gorgeous today, tell us what are you wearing today?
Fiyama De Vil soap.
No, I'm wearing Alice and Olivia, and I've been styled by Anita Shroff.
What's your fashion mantra, Deepika?
Because everyone iconic you, but what's your fashion mantra?
I think the key, this is at least what I believe, I think it's very important to be comfortable in what you wear, and also to wear your personality. I think you should just wear what you're comfortable in and what you think stands for you, instead of trying to just copy what is in style.
पहले बहुत आपका काफी बिजी शेड्यूल आपका काफी दीपिका आपका काफी बिजी शेड्यूल चल रहा था. अब आप हर दूसरे दिन नजर आ रही हैं. Is there a chances we can see you promoting Race 2 or other film of yours? मतलब काफी मसरूफ थी आप, अब जाके मतलब आज भी मिले, कल भी मिले, हो सकता है फिर कल मिल जाए. तो मतलब you're there in the media.
Okay, I'll go away. Don't worry. If you want me to go away, I'll go away.
We love to meet you.
No, I will be promoting Race 2 in Jan. Yes.
Okay, Deepika, look की बात हो रही है. When it comes to film, we see you in different avatars. Mostly bad girl. So how comfortable are you playing those characters, those roles?
Which character have I played which is a bad girl? I'm sorry.
Cocktail.
She's not a bad girl at all. I don't. Veronica is not a negative girl. I'm sorry. I think you've got that wrong. I think she's a girl who's extremely confident about herself and the way she is in society. And she has no qualms about the way she is. I don't think that makes her a bad girl.
रेस 2 का जो प्रोमोज अभी तक निकले हैं उसको काफी अप्रिशिएट करा जा रहा है, खास करके आपके लुक को. So do you think the harder battle is won before the film getting released for you?
I don't think so. I think a battle is won only on a Friday when the audience goes into the theatre and appreciates a film and appreciates a performance. I don't think any battle is won until then. I think eventually it's the audience who decides.
चाइना गेट के अंदर भी आपने एक्शन किए थे, लेकिन इसमें भी एक्शन कर रही हैं आप. इसमें मतलब कितना डिफरेंस होगा, मतलब पहले भी आपने किया और दोबारा कर रही हैं आप. When we talk about action,
there's not actually too much action for me in this movie. Yes, it is an action thriller, but I don't have too much action in the movie.
There is a lot of fun going on for Ramleela as well, that is learning Garba and Gujarati culture and all that. So tell us about...
I'm here to talk about Fiyama today. We'll talk about my movie some other time.
About Ramleela yesterday, you didn't say anything about
because it's too soon to talk about a movie even before you've started shooting. It's too early to talk about it. It's only going to release next year. So when the time is right, I'll tell you everything about it.
What about Chennai Express? Because everyone knows what to do in Chennai Express.
You'll know very soon. Next month.
Okay.
Thank you.
एक आपसे सवाल कि आज आप बहुत ही सेक्सी लग रहे हैं. अगर हम तो एशिया प्रियंका चोपड़ा को एशिया की द मोस्ट सेक्सी एक्ट्रेस के लिए वोटिंग किया गया, तो क्या बोलना चाहेंगे आप?
I think she deserves it. I think she's done amazingly well in her career over the last couple of years, and she deserves it.
धर्मजी का बर्थडे शुभकामना देना चाहिए.
मैं उनको पर्सनली विश करूँगी.
Put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so we're going to now present the brand ambassador of Fiyama. We're going to get them on stage only on one condition, and that condition is very simple. Let's make some noise. उनको भी तो पता चले उनके स्वागत के लिए आप लोग हैं. Let's have a round of applause. Let's hear it for the brand ambassador. As loud as you can get, my friends. As loud as you can get. Woohoo! Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together. Can we have a loud round of applause for the brand ambassador, the lady herself, Deepika Padukone. And we also have the fashion guru Wendell Rodrigues right here. Could I request Deepika Padukone, Wendell Rodrigues and Mr. Subhash Ballard to please unveil Fiamma DeVille's Couture Spa range, India's first gel bar with gold. Could I please request all three of you all to unveil the Fiamma DeVille's Couture Spa range with gold right here today at Hypercity. और आप लोग please तालियां बजाइए हमारे लिए. You're going to be clapping for the beautiful lady right here. And the new collection, that's the Couture Spa range by Fiamma DeVille. Could you have a round of applause? No applause? We just have this really nice group. You get to meet Deepika Padukone. You're clapping. Okay, so let's continue. A very good... By the way, ladies, gentlemen, sorry, everybody who's here at Hypercity, can we have a round of applause for Wendell Rodrigues right here? Everybody. Thank you so much. Okay, so I have a question for you. What is your inspiration behind the creation? That's the creation is the Fiamma DeVille's Couture Spa range, India's first gel bar with gold. Could you please tell us?
Hello everybody, I am very happy to be here this afternoon with you all, launching the Fiamma DeVille's Couture Spa range. I wanted to give you an experience which is like you've been to a very luxury spa and come out from a great bath. So we did these 3 flavors of which are very exotic, which mix east and west. And you actually have gold specks in the bar to raise the gold standard of this particular soap, gel soap. If you hold the wet bar against the light, you actually see the gold sparkling within. And that was the inspiration for me to put the gold strip on one side, have the bar color, and this splash of water. Normally soaps fall into water. Here we had the actual soap with the water splashing around. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, moving on. When we're talking about inspiration, I think we all know that I think one part of the inspiration is right here with us for these really, really amazing premium range of bars. Okay, I have a question for you, but before that, everyone here is today very silent, and I'm sure because they're just looking at you. Nobody's clapping, nobody's making noise. Yeah, you all love her?
I love you too.
I heard a girl saying that, I think. Okay, so before we continue, could I have a big round of applause for Deepika Padukone right here today? Woo! Okay, so your question is something that I've been wanting to ask you since I got this paper in my hand. You've been associated with this brand for more than 4 years. So how do you feel about this association and especially about this launch? That's the Fiamma DeVille's Couture Spa that's just been launched.
Good afternoon, everyone. For me, Fiamma will always be special because I feel somewhere we've started off our careers together. I started with Om Shanti Om, and Fiamma came into the market at around the same time, and they were looking for a face to be the brand ambassador. And I guess I have a certain type of personality that the brand was looking for, which is why they came to me. And it's been a wonderful association since then. And I think what makes me proud are like events like today, where they've come up with something so unique and to actually do this kind of an association, to come out with soaps that are colored, which have particles of gold in it, and you know, I think that makes me feel like the brand has grown in the last 4 years, and I feel like I, you know, feel like a proud sort of part of the brand.
Thank you so much. Could I have a round of applause for Deepika Padukone? Okay, guys, stop looking at her. Let's clap for her. You've just been looking at her all this time. Nobody's applauding. Okay, before we continue, आप लोग में से there are 5 lucky winners who are going to get a chance, actually 6 lucky winners who are going to get a chance to come here. She's going to be handing out goodie bags to 6 lucky winners here. So who wants to be those 6 lucky winners? Okay, see, this is not fair. You all won the prize. You all want her to give you the prize, but you all don't want to clap for her. So let's clap for her first. Okay, this was just a bribe, by the way, because the contest winners are already pre-selected. There was a contest by Hypercity and Fiamani Wills, so I have the winners' names with me. And whenever I say these names, the winners are going to be very, very happy to be here. We have the gifts that our brand ambassador Fiamani Wills and Vendon Rodrigues is going to be giving it out. Could I please have Dinesh Russell on stage? Dinesh Russell, where are you? I hope you're here today because this is one chance you don't want to miss. Is Dinesh Russell here today? If he's not, can I get the prize? Is Dinesh Russell here today?
I think I'm going to keep it.
You can give it to me?
Okay.
Okay. Yes.
At the end of the show, if you host well, then.
Okay, yes. Okay, that's fine. Okay, the next winner is Sohail. Is Sohail here? Sohail? Could I please have Sohail here? Dinesh is going to so upset. He's going to be very upset. He's missed this opportunity. Sohail is right here. Sohail didn't smile at me. He was saving a smile for you. Didn't smile at me at all. Congratulations, Sohail. Thank you for that music. Thank you. Okay, so Rikin is also not here today. Next, could we have Jayesh on stage? Jayesh. Rikin? Yes, Rikin is right here. Rikin is right here. Congratulations, Rikin. Congratulations. Rikin, were you rehearsing this backstage? आप rehearse कर रहे थे? मैं कैसे जाऊँगा? कौन सा हाथ डालूँगा? Congratulations, Jayesh! Thank you so much, Jayesh. Okay, by the way, since we are waiting, you know, I really want to host well and get that prize.
I think, are they here?
Yeah, they're just coming, They're just wondering. So somebody gave you a rose, somebody proposed to you. Mr. Anirudh is wondering, my wife is with me, what do I do? Mr. Anirudh, he's with his wife, so he's in this. Sinha family. Congratulations, ma'am. Son and son. Congratulations to everybody. Does anybody wants it? No? I'm not giving it to you. Hello. Okay, so we have one last. The press media is just going to ask me to move any second now, I'm sure. Okay, while we have a bit of a photography session going on, could we have everybody else clapping for her at least? She's come right here. She's the brand ambassador of Fiamani Wills. We'd like to thank her and